Today I want to show you how to set up a TAPiTAG card or any TAPiTAG product. To begin setup, remove the product from the packaging, open up your camera, scan the QR code, and this will bring you to the begin setup page. From here, click begin setup, enter in your first name, your last name, and your email. Once you've added these details in, click confirm. And you will see this page. Thank you, we've sent you a verification email. Please confirm your email address. Click the link and then click confirm account once you receive the email. This will bring you back to the TAPiTAG page to say this user is now activated. Click next to continue. Choose your password. Once you put your password in, click confirm. And you'll see success. Password updated successfully. Click close. And then this will open up your TAPiTAG login page. So this is where you can go now and customize your profile. So you're going to click customize profile. And this will bring you now to the back end of your TAPiTAG profile. So from here, you can go to browse theme options. For today, let's go with a red background. You can also choose any color you want from the color spectrum or the grid or the sliders, or you could add a hex color in also. And let's go for some black text. I'm going to want a floating background, and I'm going to choose my font as, let's see, Poppins. I'm going to click apply changes, and I'm going to click save. Straight away, you can see your profile background is updated. If you're unsure with some of the colors, you can go back and change it. Let's go orange just as an example. Click apply and save. From here, now you can update pretty much anything that you want. You can click the three dots here to add on your banner profile. So you can add a banner, or you can remove a banner. You can add a logo up here as well if you like, and then your profile picture. Where the name is here, you can click the edit button where you can add in a bio and a company name and job title then as well. This will save in your contact card, so it's quite important you put this in. And what you'll see is straight away it uploads. So in Exchange Contact, you can click that button. You can change or toggle on and off any of the fields that you want on or off. So if you don't want last name, just toggle it off. If you want to change the name of any of the fields, you can also just go to Edit Labels and change the name of the fields there. Just make sure that you scroll down and click confirm once you are done. From here, you can also add in, you can toggle on all these sections on and off, by the way, and you can move them up or down from the left-hand side. With the Connect With Me, you can enter in all of your contact details, your socials, your websites. There's lots of different options there. So once you add them in, make sure you click save, and they'll be added. So let's just see here. The profile has been added successfully. Just click close, and you'll see your icons have added up. You can add as many as you want, and you can edit these at any time. So you can click back in and edit them whenever you want then too. Custom icons, you can create a custom icon. So you'll add your own image. You can create a web link, phone number, or PDF. You can name the icon and then enter the value. I'll just show you what the value is. So it'll tell you to enter a web link or a phone number or a PDF. You can upload a file. Once you're done, click save. Photo gallery, you can upload your photos. YouTube, you can upload videos. So again, just click the plus, add your link in, click add. So meeting, if you've got a meeting link for your Teams or for Calendly or for anything else, you can edit it here. So just by clicking that. And then website, you can also add in a website link. So you can change you'll see there's a default picture. You can click the add website photo, paste the link there and add the title. So what you'll see, this is what you will see here as an example as your profile. So I'm just going to click go back. I'm going to click log out, and then I'm going to tap the card. And this is what people will see when they get your profile. Now, obviously, it's up to you to go and fill the profile in. If you ever want to make any changes, it's very simple. Tap or scan your card off the back of your phone. click the login icon in the top right hand corner and go and repeat the process then. It's very simple to set up your TAPiTAG profile. If you have any questions, please reach out to the team and we'll be happy to help you.